everybody, welcome to KidsMatics.
Hi there everybody, welcome to KidsMatics, the place or the channel where kids can learn the maths in an easiest ever way. So before we start today's session, I need to talk to the parents who all are watching this video, and I would like to request, if you are new, then please watch the video till the last so that you understand what I am trying to explain. And if there are the parents who have watched the earlier videos and came again, so thank you for that. But to all the new viewers, I would like to request to watch the video till the last. I understand everyone is busy in today's life, right? And this is for the kids. So even if you don't have the kids, you will have your friends who are parents and they have the kids, right? So I would like to request you to share this video with them, but obviously you will be able to share when you will be convinced, okay, this is good enough for the kids to learn, right? That's the reason I'm requesting all the new viewers, please watch the video till the last so that you understand what I'm trying to explain, okay? Okay, and now coming back to the today's session. So today we got a very interesting topic, which is addition, right? And that's the basic of the math sum, where we all start learning all the math sums, right? So we did cover few concepts related to the addition, whether that was the basic addition or whether that was the addition using the missing numbers, or whether that was the addition using the triangle sum of three numbers. So what I'm going to do now, and I'm like to all the new viewers, if you have not watched the previous videos, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pin the links of those videos in this video at the top. So please do watch those videos, and I hope and I wish you will like it. And for some reason, if you don't like it, please feel free to comment on the video and to let me know, okay, how it can be improved going further, right? So that's all to start with, okay? And now, without wasting any more time, let's get back to the work. Okay, Harshu?
Yes.
Right, what I've done today, instead, like to save some of our time during the video, I've already written the number in the forward order. And when I say the forward order, I don't need to explain it now because I've explained it a number of times in the previous videos, and I'll repeat it again to all the new viewers. If you have not watched the previous videos, I've pinned the link to previous videos in this video at the top, okay? So please feel free to watch those videos and let me know how you like it, okay? So we have these numbers starting from 0 going until 10, and like as we understand, right, Harshu? So when we move from 0 to 10, this is what order this is?
Forward.
Right, and then we move from 0 to 10, what happens? So we go from smaller to
Bigger.
We keep getting bigger as we move from 0 to 10, right? And when we come from 10 to 0, what happens? When we come back from 10 to 0, what happens?
Getting smaller.
Good. And we come back in which order?
Backwards.
Right, that's it, right? Okay, so today topic is right, kids, okay? So to all the kids, to all the parents who are watching, and Harshu, for you, so what we are going to do today, we are going to cover each and every single concept of addition, whether that is with the sign, whether that is with the words. We are going to cover all the different variation of the words where the math sums can appear. And in the real life as well, when you talk to your kids, your child should be able to understand the sum or the statement when the addition words are involved, okay? So how are we going to do that? That's something I'm going to cover in today's video, okay? So let's start, okay? Okay, so Harshu, tell me one thing. What is this?
Plus.
Good, okay, so we all know this is plus, right? Okay, when we talk about this is like addition, right? But apart from addition, we got so many other words as well where the addition sum can appear, okay? So say example, Harshu, if I ask you 2 plus 2
equals 4.
4, okay. But I could have said the same statement in a different way. Or let me write caps. 2 added to 2. So this is the same thing, kids. This is the same thing. When I say 2 added to 2, which means the same thing, it is plus. So it will be, the answer will be the same, right? Okay. So if I say 2 and 2, okay, and if I say all together, how many 2's? How many 2's in total? So when I say total or when I say all together, so You getting the word? When I say all together, what does that mean, Harshu? It is the same thing. It is the same meaning of plus. 2 and 2 all together. So it's again 4. How many in total? When I talk about total, this is plus as well. And in the last video, okay, when we covered this concept, more than, that is the another word for addition. The same thing. When we talk about 2 more than 2. So we talk about this is the forward direction. We talk about this is the jump. To all the new viewers again, to all the new viewers, alright. So why I'm calling this number as jump? If you don't understand that thing, okay, so probably you just need to watch my previous video, okay, where I've explained this concept, okay, how we solve the sum when we have this statement where 2 words are involved more than, okay, how do we do that? So as I said, okay, this video will have the links pinned at the top, okay, to the previous videos. Please feel free to watch those, okay. So when I say 2 more than 2, Harshu, what does that mean? 2 more than 2, which is the forward direction. This is the number which is our current position. So what we do, we are at 2, and what we do the 2 jump. We go to 3, we go to 4. So again, we reaches to 4. So it is the same thing. 2 more than 2, which means plus. So we do have so many variations. So you got that? What I'm trying to explain here. So when it comes to addition, we can call that thing as a plus. We can call as Harshu, added to, and what we can call as all together. What we can call this? Total. We can call more than. So this thing, right? So your child should be able to answer the sum, or should be able to solve the sum when it is being said, when it is being asked in a statement, right? So if I talk about what is 1 more than 4, right, Harshu? So if I ask you, right, Harshu? So if I talk about, let me write the lower part, Harshu, and you tell me, okay, so this one more than 4. Okay, so before I ask this to Harshu, let me do one thing. Okay, let me just break this thing in the same way like we did it in the last video. When I talk about more than, we go in this way. We said 1, which is our jump. Then say 4, which is our position. So what we are at 4, and how many times we need to jump? We need to jump 1. So when we jump 1, we reaches to 5, right? So that's how we say. This is jump. I just asked the same question in a different way, but in a word. So that's what I'm expecting kids to answer and to solve the sum when it is being asked in a statement way. Okay. Okay. So now, Harshu, I'll ask you one more question. Okay. So this was the one. Tell me, what is? Do you know what is this? How? So how do we need to solve this?
6.
Okay, that's answer. Right. That's right. But how do we solve this? How?
That's the position, that's the jump.
Right. Okay, so 4 is position. We jump 2 times 5, and we second jump 6. So we reaches to 6. The same thing when we said, right, more than, which is the forward order. Okay. So to everyone, right, if you see it here, so I've written the forward order when we move in this direction, in the forward direction. And let me write down one more thing here, which is like more than. When you move in the forward direction, then you talk about more than.
Yes.
There is another order, like another way as well, which we say like which is less than when we move in the backward order, but we are going to cover that during the subtraction chapter, okay? But today we are going to focus only on the addition, right? So Harshu, you understand that thing,
yes.
Right? So another thing is when we say 2 more than 4, which is like we talk about jump, and which is the 4 our current position. We jump to 5, we jump to 6, right? That's one thing. And another way was when we talk about more than, because this is the another word of addition, right? So it is the same thing. So it is like similar to 2 plus 4. That's it. So 2 plus 4, which is like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it's the same thing. It is just a variation of addition sum, which is being written in a different way. Okay. So when I talk about, if I have 2 and if I have 3, Harshu, how much in total, Harshu?
5.
That's it. Because when I say total word meaning is
Plus.
plus. That's it. Okay. So what we have to do now, we're going to repeat few exercises, okay, and we are going to do few exercises with the magnets, and just to make it a bit interactive, okay, and to repeat some concepts which we are learning now, and to repeat and to do the revision of few concepts of addition from the previous videos as well, okay. So so I'll write down these words here just to cover them as we go along the video, okay. Let me do this. So Harshu, is this clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so let me write down the words here. We talk about So as I said, right, just not the sign but the words as well. So when we talk about the addition sign, which is plus, what is this? Plus is sign. And I covered this thing in the previous videos. Okay, let me write down the words. So let me write down the words as well here. So when we talk about addition, so which we talk about add, sum, we say total, we say more than, we talk about altogether, and we talk about together. So today we are going to perform addition exercises by using these words. Okay. So let's start with the exercises now. Till now we have focused only on the numbers from 0 to 10. So we have the upcoming lessons where we are going to cover numbers up to 20. Okay, and we are going to cover the numbers in words as well. Okay. So but before we go to those videos, we are going to cover subtraction in one of the lesson as well. Okay, so but let's focus on addition for today. Okay, so we are going to focus again between 0 to 10. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals to
10.
Right. So Harshu knows it now because we have done it number of times, right? But let's do it for the kids who are watching it first time, or for the kids who have not done these sums earlier, right? So we have 5. Okay, so what we do, with the number of ways to do this, we start counting the numbers 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now what we do, we start counting from here, 1 2 3 4 5. Next number is 6 7 8 9 10, and that's how we do it, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We'll take the 10 red magnets, okay, and we are going to perform the exercises with these 10 magnets, right? So kids, so we know this thing, right? So Harshu, this is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have
10.
we talk about 10 red magnets. Okay, so we have 10 red magnets. Okay, so now what I need to do, kids, right? Let me make one box. Now let me use few words from here and we'll talk about, okay, how it is. So question is, how many, okay, let me do one thing. Okay, so these are the two questions, right? Okay, so we got these two questions, right? So okay, so now Harshu, you need to help me, okay, to get the answer to these questions. So what I'm talking about, okay, remember when we talk about plus, this is the sign which is like, it is the same thing. If you have these things together, all together, more than, total, sum, in this box, right? So what I'm asking, how many red magnets in total?
10.
Wow, perfect. Yes, because if you see here,
Yes.
so we count, right? We had the 10 red magnets, right? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. Okay, so this is the word which you picked it up from here, from the first statement, which is the total. So this one is done. Okay, so the next question is, how many red magnets all together? Okay, so now the word we have is all together. Okay,
10.
so 10. Yes, that's it. Okay, so we do have the red magnets, right? Total all together. How many? 10. And which word we use? We should. Okay, so now we are going to perform some more exercises, okay, using the same concepts, okay. So let me grab this one, let me make up some space, and let me grab this one as well, and make this box bigger. You'll come to know soon why. Okay, let me remove this as well, let me remove this as well. Okay, so, okay, we have box.
Yes.
Big box. right? So I hope everyone is clear. Okay, so we have these 10 red magnets, right, inside the big box. Okay, I'm talking about inside the box. Leave anything outside the box. We are focusing everything inside the box. Okay, so when I talk about, okay, when I say how many red magnets in total inside the box, right? We are not going anywhere, right? We are keeping all the magnets inside the box. Okay, so tell me one thing. If I keep this one magnet here,
Yes.
how many magnets inside the box?
9.
9 is this. Yes, but inside the box in total, how many in total inside the box?
10.
10. Yes, absolutely perfect answer, Harshu. Because even though kids, we do have the 9 magnets here,
Yes.
but another one is still inside the box. So I'm asking how many red magnets in total inside the box. Okay, again I'm repeating the word. I'm focusing on total, and I'm focusing about all the red magnets inside the box. Okay, so it doesn't matter even if I take the red magnet right out, but I'm still keeping that inside the box. Okay,
Yes.
so if I do like this, it was like 9 and 1, right? So if I remove this 9 and 1, if I say how many total red magnets inside the box?
8.
No, 8. What about these two? So 8 and
10.
yeah, so 8 plus 2 total 10, right? Because inside the box, Harshu, what you have to focus, okay, and what we have to understand, right?
Yes.
We have one box and we have all the red magnets. We are not taking these magnets outside. Anyways, doesn't matter if you keep this magnet there, these all are total red magnets, right? If I take this out, yes, then you have taken one out. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then they are 9. If you take one more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have how many total red magnets?
8.
8. So we have 8, right? But the thing is inside the box. But so that's what I'm saying. So it doesn't matter wherever we take the magnets as long as they are inside the box, because we are performing the exercise related to all the red magnets present inside the box. So that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about how many magnets in total inside the box. So what I'm talking about, this is inside, right? I'm talking about the inside of box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't matter how, doesn't matter wherever these magnets are, as long as they are present inside the box. How many are in total?
10.
Right, 10. So that's what, because we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's what we are doing, right, kid? So what are we going to do now? We are going to perform sums related to these magnets, okay? And let's do those. So we took the box. Okay, if we kept all the magnets inside the box, okay, so you got that how many red magnets in total? We got the red magnets, total 10 red magnets we have, okay. So now let's do one thing. Look this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so let's do this thing, 5, 6,
7, 8,
9,
10.
10, right? So what we talk about, we have 5 plus 10. Now, okay, so what we are going to do now, kids, okay, I'll take this one from here, we'll put it here. So this become 4, this has become 6. The number of magnets remain same. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Doesn't matter if I move the magnets from here to there, as long as we have same number of magnets, the total and the sum of magnets will remain same. Let's get it back here and now do one thing. Put it here. So now 6 plus 4, which is 10. What do we understand from here?
Yes.
6 plus 4, 10.
Equals 10.
Right? So earlier we have 4 plus 6, 10. So as long as, doesn't matter, as long as the same number, even if they change the position, the total of the numbers will remain same, which is 10. Right? So now what we're gonna do now?
Yes.
Let's perform the same activity again. Okay. So what we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4. Right? So let's do one thing. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4,
10.
5, 6, 7.
7
And how many? The 3. 7 plus 3?
equals 10.
10. That's it. Okay. Now do one thing. Okay. Do the other thing. We have taken one more.
Which was 8.
So 8. Okay. And this is
2.
2. And 8 plus 2, 10. Right? Again the same thing. Right, kids? So 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Let's move to another one. Okay.
It's 1.
So 1 here.
And there is 9 there.
9. So 9 plus 1, 10. Right? So I hope, kids, you liked it and you understood the meaning of addition, right? Okay. Okay. So what are we gonna do now? Let's make it more interesting. Okay. Let me rub this.
Yes.
Okay. And let's get.
The blue man.
Yeah. Let's get the blue magnets. Yeah. 5 magnets of blue and keep 5 red magnets back.
Yes.
Okay, right, kids? Okay, so what are we talking about here? We didn't have blue magnets, right? 5 blue magnets, right?
Yeah, 5 blue magnets.
5 blue magnets. And here we have 5 red magnets, right?
Yeah, 5 red magnets.
Okay, so 5 red magnets
Yes.
and 5 blue magnets, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Harshu, if I ask you, how many magnets in total you have?
10.
Perfect, that's it. So total we have 10 magnets. Okay, so if I ask you how, okay, so if I ask you, okay, why I'm asking you, how many red magnets in total? See, how many red magnets in total?
5.
5, yes. So we have 5 red magnets. Okay, if I ask you, how many blue magnets?
5.
5. Okay, so now if I ask you, question, how many red and
Blue.
magnets
Blue magnets.
in total?
2.
So what do we have? We are asking how many red,
Red.
how many blue magnets in total.
Total.
So we have total. Total is like plus. So how many magnets? So you tell me how many red and blue magnets we have?
10.
Perfect. Because 5 red, 5 blue plus we have 10.
10.
Right?
Yes.
So this was the same sum
Yes.
which we were doing in previous videos with 5 plus 5 equal to 10, right? So what are we doing now? We are solving the same sum but in a statement way, right? 5 red magnets, 5 blue magnets, in total we have total 10 magnets, right? Okay, so let's do one thing now.
Yes.
Okay, so if I talk about here 3, 4, 5, which is there, okay, clear. Do one thing, put it here, okay. So this is like 5 plus 5, right? Doesn't matter what color they have, okay? Okay. So right, this is 5 plus 5, right? Which is
10.
10, right? If I put here 1, which is 4, 6, and how much it will be?
10.
Yes. See, because total magnets are same.
Yes.
I'm not taking that away. If I talk about, if I take that away, yes, then it will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
But what I'm doing, I'm keeping the magnets here. I'm just changing the positions. What I'm doing, I'm just changing the position of magnets, right? Okay, so let's do one more, okay? So we have 3, 7. How much in total? How many in total?
7 and 10.
Perfect, that's it. Okay, now do one thing. 2 plus 8. How many in total?
10.
That's it. Doesn't matter. So kids, right? So kids, you're getting the point which I'm trying to explain here. I'm just trying to tell you the way or the different way the math sums may appear in a real life as well, right? Okay, so all the parents and the kids who are watching this video, right? I hope you are getting the point I'm trying to explain, right? I understand you may not be solving these kind of problems on daily basis, but as I'm saying, these may appear in a real life, right? When I talk about the real life, obviously the parents will understand it in a better way. Like you are talking to your son on a daily basis, okay? There are 2 balls there, 2 balls there, how many total balls we have, right? So that's the way I'm talking about. Okay, you got 3 glasses there, you got 3 glasses there. How many glasses in total we have? So that's the sum, or that's the real life questions I'm referring to, right? I'm trying to explain with the help of addition concepts. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So we have 2 plus 8. How many magnets in total?
10.
Right. Okay. So if I take one more here, so it will be
This one is 9.
1 and 9. How many total?
10.
Yes. So this number didn't change. It remains same because we had these magnets, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So guys, we're going to finish this video at this stage. Okay. And I hope everyone who ever watched the video till the end liked it. And if there were more of parents and the kids who watched this video, that's it. That is my main aim from all these videos. Okay. Because I want every kid to learn the maths in the best and the easiest ever way. Okay. And that's what I'm trying to explain here in all these videos. Okay. So again, the same request to all the parents, right? Okay, so if you are liking the content, okay, so please do subscribe and share it with your other friends and who are the parents and who will like have the kids, right? And share it with your friends who will have the kids, so that like they can take the benefit of this learning as well, right? But if you are not liking the content for some reason, and if you think or if you think that there could be some other way of teaching the maths in the other possible or the best possible way, please feel free to provide your feedback in the comment section. But if you are liking it, I would request you to share it with your other friends, to share it, comment it, provide your feedback, and please subscribe so that you stay tuned and never miss a video again. Okay, for now that's it, and we'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.